Hello, my dear students. We have already learned how to select the data from the table. Now let us see how to put any text. If I want to put any text in the query itself, how could I put the text? Let us see some example over here. SQL allows to put user-defined symbol or text with the table output. If I want to write rupees, right, or percentage symbol with your percentage or with commission, so I can write like this also. See how to write simple. Select name, department, and before salary, I want to write rupees. So what I did, select name, department, and whatever the text you want to write, just put the text in quotes, then comma, then column name, and from table name. So this is how it will look like. Select name, department, rupees, salary from employee. Let us see our table on which we were working. Suppose I want to say, Harsha, pay this amount, right? So how could I write? Select. I want to display name, and then I want to display pay rupees, right? And then I want to display fees from student. See what will be the output. Select name, yani ki Harsha, pay rupees this, right? So if you want to insert some text within the query, you can write within quotes, single or double as you wish, right? Before or after, wherever you want to put it in quotes and then separate it by comma, and we will be getting your output. Right? For example, I want rupees afterwards, 4,000 rupees or 7890 rupees. So how could I write? Select name, comma, fees, comma, what I want? Rupees. From table name. Right? 12 rupees will be afterwards. So this is simple. I can put like this. Okay? So this is the way to put the text within the query. Now let us move further, and today our agenda is to learn where clause. What is the use of where? Let us see. Where नाम से ही लग रहा होगा कहीं आप condition ढूंढ रहे हो यहाँ पर. So where clause is used to select specified rows. If you want to select, अभी तक क्या हो रहा था, आप स्टार करें चाहे कोई कॉलम का नाम करें तो सारी रोज आ रही थी. But if you want to select specified rows, you can use where clause. So it allows to select only desired rows by applying condition. So I can say this is to apply condition, and for applying the condition, I can require this comparison operators, which we have already studied in Python also. So relational operators are these, so we can use these operators and logical operators also. And logical operators और ये दोनों use करेंगे. Let us see one by one. For example, first example will show you select star from employee where salary greater than 4,000. अभी क्या हो रहा था, सब दिख रहा था select star from EMP. EMP हम जब कर रहे थे, but if I'm writing where and then I'm giving the condition, कौन सा देखना है अभी? Salary greater than 4,000. तो salary greater than 4,000 जिसका भी होगा वही दिखेगा, right? If I'm saying select star from employee where EMP number equal to 1. It means which one will be visible? Only EMP number 1. If I say where department is equal to HR, so which will be visible? Only department is equal to HR. So let us move to our table. Let me show you all the record, then we will do the query. So this is my table, and I want to see the record of Krishna. How could I write? Select, if you want to see all the columns, right? Select star from student, but अब क्या होगा? All the columns and all the records will be available, but I don't want all the records, I want particular record. So I need to put where, what, Krishna किस column में है? Name में है. So I need to put where name equal to Krishna. So this will show me the record of Krishna, right? Now it is not showing me all the records, only Krishna's record. Clear? If I want to see the record of roll number 3, how could I write? select star from student where roll number equals to 3. Mind it, column name should be same as it is given in your table, then only it will be visible, right? If I want to see कि roll number 3 भी चाहिए और roll number 6 भी चाहिए, then how could I do? Select star from student where roll number is equal to 3 and 6 मत लिखेगा. Do again write the column name where roll number is equal to 3 and roll number is equal to 6. See what happens, whether it is showing me all the columns or all the records or not. See, it is showing me empty set. Why it is showing me empty set? The reason here is कि roll number ये दोनों condition check कर रहा है. roll number 3 भी होना चाहिए, roll number 6 भी होना चाहिए, but ऐसा नहीं है, है ना? I should say कि roll number 3 हो या roll number 6 हो. Or so here, if I am putting the query on the same, I am checking the condition in the same column, so we are not supposed to write here and we will be writing here or. यानी कि रोल नंबर 3 हो या फिर रोल नंबर 6 हो, दोनों दिखा रहे. Got it? If I have said कि select, let me see the table first again, and if I say कि okay जिसका ना फीस हो 7,000 और उत्तम नगर में रहता वो दिखाना. So I have 2 condition on 2 columns. Here I can put and. So select. Suppose I said star from student where what? I said fees होनी चाहिए कितनी? 7,000. 2 conditions are there. Fees is equal to 7,000 and address क्या होना चाहिए? Address होना चाहिए उत्तम नगर. Now it will show me only that particular record whose fees is 7,000 and address is Uttam Nagar. Right? So now you can check, it is giving me answer. If I have done here and की जगह or, so what will be happening over here? It will check either 7,000 और उत्तम नगर. 7,000 हो तब भी दिखाएगा, उत्तम नगर हो तब भी दिखाएगा. So you can check 7,000 record is Varsha's, लेकिन उत्तम नगर is there in the Krishna's record also and Varsha record also. Isn't it? See. यहाँ भी है और यहाँ भी है. Then it will show me all both the records because or is means what? It will check both. Either of the condition is true, it will give you the answer. So if the fees is 7,000, then also it will show you. If the address is Uttam Nagar, then also it will show you. But and says both the records should be there. Both the conditions should be true. Then only it will show you. So and checks both the condition or check either of the condition is true, it will show you the record. Right? So this is about and or. Clear? So if I, let me give you one more example. If I say I want to see the record of those students whose fees is greater than 4,000 and whose fees is greater than 4,000 and name is Harsha. Okay? Name is Harsha. So here 2 condition I am giving here. Select star from student where fees is greater than 4,000 and name equal to Harsha. Now you check, it is empty set. Why it is empty set? Because name to Harsha hai, लेकिन fees 4,000 से ऊपर नहीं है. That's why it is not showing you that particular record. ठीक है ना? If I will say कि ठीक है, name fees greater than or equal to 4,000, फिर दिखा दीजिए. Now both the conditions are true. Now it will show you both the record. ठीक है? So this is how we can use and or. ठीक है? दोनों condition अगर satisfy होती है तब and वाला चलता है, and वाला तब चलेगा when both the conditions are true. Or either of the condition is true, then it will be okay. It will show you the record. Now one more is left, not. Okay, suppose if I say select, let me see once more the table. मैंने कहा यहाँ पर जो उत्तम नगर नहीं हो वो मुझे जो उत्तम नगर नहीं है सिर्फ वो नहीं देखने हैं, वो देखने हैं, बाकी सब उत्तम नगर वाले हटाने. So how could I say I want to remove the record of Uttam Nagar? I don't want to see the records of Uttam Nagar. So what I could see, I can write like this also. Select. Suppose I want to see all the columns. Select start from student where Uttam Nagar किसमें है? Address में. So where address? See, two ways are there. Not equal to का symbol है ये. Address not equal to Uttam Nagar. Now it will avoid this Uttam Nagar and it will give you rest of the record. U Nagar doesn't mean Uttam Nagar will exactly match. That's why U Nagar is there. So don't go with that. Uttam Nagar नहीं है, वहाँ पे सारे records वो दिखा देंगे. I could have written like this also, where not address equal to Uttam Nagar. Right? This will also work. So where not address equal to Uttam Nagar, address not equal to Uttam Nagar दिखता, but आगे आपने not लगा दिया because it is a unary operator. So एक साइड ही आपका सारा होना चाहिए. तुमने लिखा था address equal to Uttam Nagar, उसके आगे भी if you are writing not, so it will leave Uttam Nagar record and it will show you rest of the records. So this is how and, or, and not works. And one more symbol you have learned here, not equal to a symbol. Let me see whether this will work or not. Just check where address not this is exclamation symbol, and if I'm writing like this will also work. So for not equal to we have two symbols. One you have just checked this one where address not equal to Uttam Nagar, or we have just checked this one exclamation mark and then equal to Uttam Nagar. So this is and, or, and not operator and not equal to operator. Now simple, you know how to use less than and greater than symbol. So let us check one by one quickly. If I want to see the records whose fees is less than 5,000, how could I write? Select, I want to display the name and fees from student where fees less than symbol will be like this. Less than 5,000 that I want to see, and you can see only Harsha is there. If you want to see the greater one, so you can write greater than like this. Fees greater than 5,000. Okay? If I will write greater than or equal to, it means what? Greater than also or equal to also. So see, equal to नहीं तो greater तो है. So let me show you all the records which is greater than or equal to 5,000. So we know how to use less than symbol, equal to symbol, greater than equal to symbol, less than equal to symbol. So this is, we learned how to see the particular record, how to display the particular record using select command. Okay. There one more here is and will be like this also, right? And or can be simple like this also. So this is not can be like this also. So you can use either of the symbol also. See here we have used select start from employee, where if you want to check कि 4,000 और 8,000 के बीच में होना चाहिए, but not included 4,000, I can write like this also. Select start from employee where salary greater than 4,000 and salary less than 8,000. So it will show you the record between 4,000 से ऊपर and 8,000 से नीचे. Right? Here what I'm trying to check कि department sales होना चाहिए और salary 30,000 से less होनी चाहिए. So this is the where department is equal to sales and salary less than 30,000. So this is the between. This will work like between. कि 4,000 और 8,000 के बीच में हो वही दिखेगा. यहाँ पर दो कॉलम के बीच में लगा रहे हो डिपार्टमेंट सेल्स हो और सैलरी लेस देन 30,000. Here I want to see again department HRO. If multiple conditions are there, you can put and. So see where department is equal to HR and both this condition. So you can separate the conditions by and. Don't put comma, but you are supposed to put and. अब यहाँ पर देखो या तो HR हो या डिपार्टमेंट IT हो. So where department is equal to HR or department is equal to IT. Here I don't want to see the record of employee number 4, तो आपने याद रखना है आपका पूरा कंडीशन यहाँ पर होना चाहिए, then you put not here, है ना? Otherwise I could have written like this also, where ENP not equal to symbol which we have learned right now, either this, right, or this. So this could be work like this also. ठीक है? So this is how we can use arithmetic. अर्थमेटिक तो हमने पहले देख लिया, रिलेशनल लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स के साथ आप कैसे काम करेंगे. Now the next will be using between, in, like and is not. So in the next class we will learn these operators. So we have learned today relational and logical operators. That's all for today.